Hello everyone, and this is Morning Meeting with Miss Kara. Alright, let's go ahead and do our weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell us, Miss Kara, what's the weather? What's the weather like today? Alright, so I went to weather.com and I searched Roanoke, Virginia, Roanoke being our city, Virginia our state, Roanoke, Virginia. It says it is 67 degrees outside and cloudy. It is cloudy. All right, so if we go back and we're going to put our spinner on cloudy. And then today is cloudy. So today's weather is cloudy. All right, so now let's graph our weather. So the title of our graph is Weather Graph. On this axis, we have the number of days, and on this axis, we have the type of weather. And so we need to put cloudy on our weather graph. So if we look at our weather graph, let's count how many cloudy days we've had so far. 1, 2, 3. 3 cloudy days so far. 3 cloudy days. All right. Let's count how many rainy days we've had so far. 1 rainy day. So let's make a 1. All right, so now we need to figure out which one is more, 3 or 1. Which one is more? 3 is more. We've had more cloudy days than rainy days. So to complete our number sentence, we're going to use the sign that is open towards the number 3. So we're going to use this sign. It is open towards the number 3. So our number sentence says 3 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. Remember, we use the sign that is open towards the number that is worth the most, or that points to the number that is the least. 3 is greater than 1. We've had more cloudy days than rainy days so far. We'll see how our weather graph changes over the next few weeks. All right, let's go ahead and do our months of the year song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. The first month of the year is January. We start the year in January. The last month of the year is December. We end the year in December. There are 12 months in our year, and we are in the 6th month. So let's start at January and count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. June. We're in the month of June. And today is June 18th. We write the 18th as a 1 and an 8. Today is the 18th of June. June 18th. So let's count the number of days we've had so far in June. We're going to start right here at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 days in June so far. Today is June 18th, 2020. All right, go ahead and find your clapping hands for our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, so yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. And tomorrow will be Friday. So yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. And tomorrow will be Friday. And today is June 18th. You write the 18th as a 1 and then an 8. 18. So today is Thursday, June 18th, 2020. Thursday, June 18th, 2020. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do our news to you, weather, and calendar. Alright, we said that today is Thursday.
Thursday.
The month is, we said we were in the 6th month of the year, which is June.
June.
The date is, we said today was the 18th, which is written as a 1 and then an 8.
18th.
The weather is, we said it was cloudy.
Cloudy.
The temperature is, so we're in the high 60s and it is supposed to get warmer, so I will say that we are in warm weather today.
Warm.
We'll dress this person today.
Bottoms.
All right, so since it's supposed to be warm, we could probably wear shorts, a skirt, any of these right here. You could wear these if you wanted to. It's not supposed to be too hot for those. But I think today I'm going to wear a skirt.
Skirt. Tops.
We do not need a winter sweater. It's not cold outside for that. We probably really don't need a long sleeve shirt or a flannel shirt. We'll probably get a little warm in those. We could wear a tank top, a t-shirt, or a collared shirt. Any of those would be a good choice. So I think I'm going to put on a collared shirt today.
Collared shirt. Shoes.
We don't need rain boots. It's not raining today. We don't need snow boots. It's not cold outside and there's not snow on the ground. We could probably wear any of these shoes, either sandals, tennis shoes, or boots, just depending. I think I'm going to put on some sandals today.
Sandals. Hats.
We don't need a winter hat. It's not cold. We don't need a rain hat. It's not raining. We could wear any of these other hats if we wanted to. They're good on days that it's sunny to protect our face from the sun. But I think I'm going to say no hat for today.
No hat. Accessories.
We don't need gloves, mittens, or a scarf. It's not cold outside. We could wear sunglasses if we wanted to. Again, those are good on days that it is sunny to protect our eyes from the sun. But I think today I'm going to say no accessory.
No accessory. Outerwear.
We don't need a raincoat. It's not raining. We don't need a winter coat. It's not winter time. It's not that cold out. If you wanted to wear one of these, you could. I think that it's probably warm enough without any of them. So I'm going to say no outerwear.
No outerwear.
All right, so let's review.
Today's weather. Thursday, June 18th, 2020. Cloudy and warm.
And we have dressed our person for the weather. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Mrs. Hitchens or myself. We hope everybody has a great day.